is a command line interface. You can access the command line interface by right click on the desktop and then you can click on the open in terminal. And other things is you can just click here, this one, show the applications, and here you will search the terminal, and this terminal is here. You can just click on that and the terminal will be open. Okay, and I think it is display for you. I am going to increase the size of that. So this is the terminal interface. You can use this and you can run the particular commands. Like some commands is here, whatever I will input here, who am I, so it will display the username here, the root. And your pwd command using the present working directory, where you are working, what is your location, and ls command to display all the things. For the example, you have open any particular folder like this, so you will see there is a desktop, there is a document, there is a downloads, lab, these are, it is displaying on the screen. But if you want to the same content display in a terminal, so what you will do, you will use ls command. If you want to check the hidden files inside here, so you can use ls-a option. A option is used for hidden files like dot, whatever the dot in the starting of this, it is known as a files, means hidden files and hidden folders. So how you will identify which one is a folder and which one is a files? Like here you can see these are looks like folder. Yeah, these are the folders, but this is the file. But how you will identify in a here in a terminal, because yeah, there is a some color, different color, blue color, and one is a green color. So color can be changed. Color is not a matter. So you can use the ls-l option. So display the large size of the list view. So whenever the D is written in the starting of this information, so D means directory, and without D means files. Like if you are use the -ls and a means all and l, so you can see there is a lots of the files without D, lots of the information without D. So all these are files.
Sir, what is this D in this?
D means directory. Directory means folder. So whenever the D is written in the starting of the information of the line, so you can see these are the folders. Okay. And without this, without D means these are the files. Exactly. Blues are the folder and greens are the files. But color can be changed. Maybe later on you will find somewhere the color is a different color. So how you will identify in a different color? So if the color is different, so you can use this option, and this is the security, insurity of the directory and insurity of the files.